Yeah, good morning. So, sir, you were saying something yesterday regarding weekend classes. What is that? I mean, I didn't
Yeah,
hear properly
actually,
yesterday.
this Saturday, if we sit for 2 hours, we can finish TU and yard management.
Okay, okay.
Yard
Transport
management.
unit and admin.
Yard management.
Okay.
Saturday, it will take 2 hours time.
Between
It will
India
start
time,
from
what is
which
the morning
what
finish
time,
time?
Yashu?
Morning 7 to 9 or 9:30 max.
Okay.
Yeah, that is
Yes.
a big one, big topics, right? We cannot split into middle. Okay, tomorrow also we have time. Na? Tomorrow we will discuss. Yeah. Coming to the our sessions, yeah, every time we are, yeah, pardon.
Okay, 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 okay. Let us discuss tomorrow. No problem.
Yeah, correct. Okay,
Yeah.
coming to our storage process in outbound, what we did, every we are creating a new storage process and assigning to the new warehouse order creation rule. Every time we are coming to this one, what warehouse process type and assigning there and this thing. Okay, that is not if we have only one storage process, that's fine. But sometimes, say for example, a product is some 5 kgs weight. I pick and stays to and goods issue to the customer. If the product is more than 5 kgs, I need to pack it again separately. Okay, this thing, assume that one case means here weight is the criteria to apply the storage process. Weight is the criteria. That kind of situation, how we handle this. Okay, instead of warehouse process type, we assign the warehouse order creation rule at activity area level. At activity area level, we see, go to SPRO. We have fast and SLO1 is the activity areas using. Go to extended warehouse management, master data, activity areas. Yeah, one define sort sequence for activity area. Yesterday we run that SLO1 for only put away, it seems, or picking also. We can check now. And at the activity area level, we maintain the warehouse order creation rules and we apply some filters and limits to trigger the correct warehouse order creation rule. Okay, that we can check. This concept is calling as a warehouse order creation rule, WOCR determination. This is one of the important thing in EWM. SLO1 is there, pick is there, right? Okay, pick is fine. Yeah, pick is there. Now, what I'm doing is go to cross processing settings, warehouse order. Here, define set sequence of creation rules for activity areas. Come to here. Please mute yourself, sir. Some background noise is coming. Warehouse number AAPL. Nothing is there. Go to new entries. AIPL is our warehouse. Activity area SLO1. If the activity peak, it should trigger one, this one. Assume that. If AAPL fast, if it's a peak, this I can assign. This one. this one. Okay, like I have created. Now we come with one test case. And first go to warehouse process type and remove that one. Previous one. Warehouse task. Define warehouse process type. A210 is ours. A210 is ours. Here, remove it. And here, this is their warehouse order creation rule activity area. Blank for source, one for destination. One always for put away, blank always for picking. Okay, this thing. Now we come with one test case.
Sir, in the previous class, you told that warehouse creation rule is important for warehouse process type.
Pardon?
Means in previous class, you told that warehouse order creation rule is important, but now you are making blank.
Yes. No, for the storage process, inbound and outbound are there. For the inbound, we are
Okay.
assigning the storage process. Outbound, say I have different activity areas. Every time I can come to configuration and changing. No. According to
No, not.
activity area, we act our warehouse order creation rule. Not important. Just I told you. Okay. We can map.
Okay. Okay.
Go to this thing. Yeah. First, we can work with the plain warehouse order creation rule. Okay. Now we apply some filters on these things. AIPS order this one. One product is in fast. One product is in SLO2, SLO1. Okay. This thing. Create it. Now one outbound delivery is creating and distributing to WMS. Come to our EWM system. This one we can check. Last one, sir. 1173. Last 4 digits. Go to here. 2 line items are there. 2 are picking from different activity areas. 2 are picking from different activity areas. Okay. So first we can see this. Fast. Check message log. Either activity area should be determined for that. Should be. Otherwise, warehouse order creation rule cannot applicable for that. Why? We are maintain the warehouse order creation rule at activity area level. Q outbound is determined. Q is here. Source is fast. See here. Here it is determined. Save it. Warehouse order 30303 created. Come to here. See here. Fast is there. Rule is this one. Means this is applicable for some kind of storage process. Here. The activity area fast is determined. With reference to that, we determine the warehouse order creation rule. Go to the second item. Go to message log. Here, determined here. Save. For this, other kind of warehouse order creation rule is determined for this. Normally, this in this test case, how we can say that? Say, for example, racks are there, very big racks. What they do, business, what they do, loose products means small products they keep in downside. Very big products they keep in upside, like pallets and whatever it may be. If any picking or any outbound delivery came for the products, pallets, assume that they can pick from the upside of the rack and send to the customer directly. In between, they cannot do any packing or nothing. Why? Because already that is in packed status. Already packed status. Loose products is there. They can move to the packaging work center and pack. Then they send to the customers. Means here, how do we achieve this? Say, see here, this one, this is the warehouse application. Say, this up portion of the rack, down portion of the rack, we can maintain two kinds of activity areas. Two kinds of activity areas. And we assign the different warehouse order creation rules. We know within the warehouse order creation rule, we have the storage process. Within the storage process, we maintain some different kind of steps. Like, got it for any doubt? Just now I have explained one business example. Okay, I keep my pallets at upside of the rack. Whenever I pick that product, send to the customer directly. I keep some loose products or small cotton boxes in the downside of the racks. Whenever I pick that, first to move to the work center and there I pack and send to the customer. Okay, got it? This business example we can fulfill through warehouse order creation. See here, for fast we triggered AWC2. For slow one, triggered AWC1. Okay, means activity area wise we are determining the warehouse order creation rule. Within the warehouse order creation rule, we have the storage process and so on. Okay, got it, sir? This thing. Now what I'm doing is I'm cancelling this. 30303 is there, that is also I'm cancelling. This is a simple topic, but a little like tricky. Cancel. Now, our question is it not possible to assign more than one warehouse order creation rules against a activity area? Is it not possible to maintain different activity, different warehouse order creation rules for a single activity area? We check option. Go to cross processing settings, warehouse order. Okay. Define such sequence for creation rules for activity areas. Go to here. Is it not possible to assign the more than one warehouse order creation rules for activity area? Yes, possible. See here, sequences is there. Now what I am doing is one assigning. Now as for the table, for the fast activity area, I have two are there. If I run the transaction again, this only can applicable. Why? Because sequence number 1 is there. That we can check. See here, first one. But I require AWC1 for this one. I require. We have some filters. Okay, the system can filter the item with some of the criteria and trigger that one. Trigger warehouse order creation rule. That we can see. Actually, first we do one thing. I will show you a small example. VL03N. What is the weights of this product? We can check. Weight of the product. 5 kgs is there. 5 kgs. Okay. Weight of this product. I am doing one filter. I am maintaining one filter. So. Define filters for warehouse order creation rule. This we require. Go to here. Any filters are there, we can remove it. Go to new entries. Filter 1. Filter 1. Okay. In the filter 1, maximum weight 4 kgs I am giving. Maximum weight. Lot of things are there here. Filter. Have a look. Whenever you open this warehouse order, warehouse process type wise also you can determine the different warehouse order creation rule. Okay. And weight, volume. These things are there. Route, wave category, etc. are there. Just I am using 4 kgs filter. Filter 1 up to 4 kgs one filter. And I am creating one more filter. Okay, one thing. This one, filter 1. Which filter we need to maintain? Filter type is important. Filter type is item level. Subtotal I will tell you after this example. Item filter. Next, filter 2. Minimum weight 5 kgs. Maximum weight some 100 kgs. Assume that. Filter 2. Minimum weight is 5 kgs. Maximum weight is 100 kgs. Now what I am doing? I am going to warehouse order creation rules. Define creation rule for warehouse order. Come to here. AIPL. Go to AWC1. This is in second sequence, right? Filter I am using filter 2 here. Filter 2. Or else filter 1 we can use. Next. Go to here. This one. Filter 2. I am assigning. Now we can run the transaction. Our line item is Our line item is 5 kgs. Which one it would trigger? We can check first. Our line item is 5 kgs. Don't save it. One sec. Cancel that one. We can check. Cancel. The first one. Save it. 30306 is created. This one is triggered. Okay. According to the filter. But earlier also this is only triggered, right? That's why some I will do one thing. Interchange the filters. I will show you. Cancel this. KWC2 is trigger, right? What I am doing, go to warehouse order, define set sequence for creation rules. APL. First I am giving here, second I am giving here. First I am giving here, second I am giving here. I will show you one example first without removing the filter. I am removing filter and demonstrate again. I am removing the filters here. I am removing the filter. Okay. Now, as for the priority, AWC1 is triggered for this one. AWC1. Why? Sequence number 1 is there. See here. As for the priority, filter is not there here. Now, what I am doing? I am applying filter. See here, this one. This thing. I am applying filter. What? Wait. Filter 1, filter 2. In the filter 1 up to 4 kgs, filter to 5 kgs onwards. Okay. Our line item applicable for filter 2. Come, go to see here. Why? I have applied the I have applied the item filter. That's what this one is triggered. Filters are two types. One is item filter, another one is subtotal filter. Item filter and a subtotal filter. Come to here, define filters for warehouse order creation rules. This one. One filter type is, first filter type is warehouse task or physical inventory. Okay, this one. Out of that, we are generating the warehouse task. And filter type is item type and a subtotal filter. We are applying item filter. Yeah, sometimes, say assume that sometimes one value is not false below the, not false within the item filter. In that case, the system, what it will do, consolidate the items which are bringing from the same activity area. Consolidate the items which are picking from the same activity area. Consolidate. That filter, if the item filter is not sufficient, that filter is calling as a subtotal filter. Subtotal filter. That example I will show you now. What I am doing, mat2 is there, right? I am moving that mat2, or else this mat1 product is there, right? That product I am moving into SLOC1. Okay. One more new bin I create, and we bring from the same activity area two products, and we play with filters. We play with filters. Moving. AD product ad hoc movement is there. Product ad hoc movement. AD PR body. Sorry. One sec. We require one new bin in the SLO1. Very simple but tricky. Bin 10 I am using. /n /SAWM /AD PR body. Product mat2. Mat2 there. Okay. Mat1. Some quantity we can keep there. Some quantity. You have to stack. From here, new stacks, right? Some 24 is there within this HU. Yes, exactly. Some 24 I am moving. SLO1. This bin, empty bin. Okay. /24 quantity I am moving. Confirm. Auto confirmation. Warehouse order creation. Not confirmed. Okay, not a problem. We manually confirm it. Confirmed, sorry. Automatically that confirm. Now this product mat1 is also available in this bin. In the product master REM1 we have given for that one. I remember. I am making it REM2. Okay. Now one new bin is created. SBST is required for us for this thing. Activity area, this one. Okay, this thing. 10. Now we use third filter. We use third filter. We use third filter. Okay. First go to warehouse order creation rule assignment. Go to SPRO. I will show you. Now we play with only one activity area. Warehouse order. Define set sequence for creation rules. Go to our warehouse. This one. New entries. Pick 2. Pick 3. Pick 3. Okay. For SLO1, I have assigned 3 creation rules. And filters I am changing. Define filters for warehouse order creation rule. Warehouse number. Filter 1. Item filter up to 5 kgs. This one. Filter. Filter 2. 6 to 10 kgs I am giving. 6 to 10 kgs. Now I am creating one more filter. Filter 3. Filter 3. Observe here. Filter 3. This is the subtotal filter. Minimum weight is 11 kgs and maximum weight some 100 kgs. This I am creating. Come to warehouse order creation rules. Here filter 3 I am using subtotal filter. I am using subtotal filter. This thing. Now we come with one test case. I will ask questions also, sir. VL01 here. First one, each product weight, how much we can check. First, 1. 5 kgs, 5 kgs. 1. I am saving it. Then just guess, if I create the warehouse tasks for this, how many warehouse orders will be generated? 1174. Just guess, sir. Nothing.
3, sir.
Nothing wrong.
3.
Any guess, sir? Other guess? Okay, sir.
5 kgs another.
Pardon?
2.
2. Okay. Yeah, first, sir, Ramakrishna garu, what is the analysis for your option 3?
For first 5 kgs, it will create one warehouse task, and for second item, it will create another warehouse task, and total is 10 kgs. It will create one warehouse task.
Yours, Raghu?
Yeah, two. First 5 kgs one, and for subtotal, sorry, first 10 it will create one, and then for subtotal it create one. Total two.
No, no, not subtotal. Here we maintained item filters and subtotal filters both. If the item
Okay.
filter is not applicable, then only subtotal filter can comes into picture. In our case,
Okay.
two line items are there, one quantities, 5 kgs.
Then
So
two will be created.
yeah, two warehouse orders will be created.
First 5, and the second one is 5 plus 1.
Five. Individual item filter, it is triggering item filter.
Okay. Okay.
Item filter is item filter is there, falls below the item filter. So it will not go for the subtotal filter.
Okay.
This one warehouse order is created. Come to here. See here. This one. One sec. Yeah. One sec. I am cancelling this. I will come with again. Select both. Create plus. Now you can see how many warehouse orders are generated. We can see. Two warehouse tasks are created. Now come to here. One sec. Only one is there. Some filter. Is this thing what? Item filter. Yeah, correct. Correct, sir. Falls below. It's clubbed together. One sec. Okay, this is correct, but at high level it clubbed together. High level it clubbed together. Only one. If I run two items individually, only one warehouse order creation rule is generated. It clubbed the same warehouse order creation rule. Here item filter is worked for two items. Okay, plain. Next, what I do is cancel this. No, no save. I cancel. One warehouse order creation rule AWC1 is generating, right? Two warehouse tasks are coming. I don't require two warehouse orders. I want only one warehouse order. Only one line item for that warehouse order. That is limit. Filter is triggering warehouse order creation rule, but two items are there. But I don't require two line items. I require only one item for this one. That concept is called a limit. Go to limits. Define limit values for the size of a warehouse order. Here anything is copied, we can delete it. All we can delete. New entries. Limit LIM1. Warehouse order. Okay. Limit 1. Maximum items for warehouse order. Sorry, maximum. Only one I am giving. Only one. Here others also they limit maximum number of HUs, maximum minimum weight, maximum weight, and etc. Just only maximum item for warehouse order I have set as one maximum items. Save it. Come to this filter. This warehouse order creation rule. The first one. This one. Limit is lim1. Save it. Now we run the transaction again. Create. We can check. Two warehouse tasks are created. Two warehouse orders are generated. Why? I applied some limit. Maximum number of item is only one. Only one. Okay. This thing. Only one. Okay. This. Got it, sir? Any doubt here? Any doubt? Why warehouse order is created? Two warehouse orders are created. Earlier only one. I applied one limit is there. One limit is there. Okay. This thing. Now I am coming with one more test case. Again I will ask answer. Two items. Two items. 10 kgs. 1175. If I create warehouse orders, how many warehouse orders will be generated? Which warehouse order creation rule will trigger? Okay. Questions are how many warehouse orders will be generated and what is the warehouse order creation rule? Is it identical to previous warehouse order creation rule? If I create, which one? Just guess, sir. Just guess. Two line
Only
items.
one.
Two line
Only
items.
one order.
Only one order. Okay, fine.
And with
Second one. Second one. Second one it will create.
not first one. Okay.
Not first one. Why? Filter is like this. Second one. Weight is increased. If I keep this one, what? If I use limit for this one, how many warehouse orders generate? Two warehouse orders. Two warehouse orders. Okay, this one. And if I come with weight more than 11 kgs, that applicable for third filter. Okay, this thing. One sec, we do one thing. One sec. Yeah, I will come with third example. That gives us clear idea. That gives us clear idea. Three. Third filter, sir. That is subtotal filter. 3. Third filter, that is subtotal filter. 15 kgs. Okay. Third filter. Greater than 11. That is the subtotal filter. Which one? 76. Now I am creating. We can create. Third filter. Actually, some bug is there in the system. Okay. This directly item filter it is considering. It should not consider. See, okay. What it is okay. One sec, sir. Cancel this. Third filter, okay. This one here. One sec. Only one line item. Yeah. Now select it. How many warehouse orders will be create? Only one. We have not applied any. We have not applied any limits here. Limits. Okay. This thing. Limit. Like a system can consider the warehouse order creation rule with reference to filters, limits, and etc. Different criteria is there to go with the limits and filters. Okay, this thing. This is about the WOCR, warehouse order creation rule determination. How it is determined. Okay, this thing. Okay.
Sir, how to do?
Yeah, nice. Okay, repeat please.
Hello.
Tell me, Raj.
Do we have any changes in RF during WOCR scenario? Any configuration in
No, nothing.
RF?
No. Okay. No, we don't require anything. RF only based on the warehouse orders, queues. We have seen. Warehouse orders, handling units, queues, those options only. Okay, this one. Okay, sir. This is about the warehouse order creation rule determination. Okay, with this we successfully completed our outbound delivery. Okay, and tomorrow I will explain you about staging area, group, and door determination. Okay, see. A210 we have given GI area in the warehouse process type. Instead that we trigger automatically that, and also door also. Okay, and we trigger the door and staging areas automatically, and confirm our one of our cycle through RF. I will show you how pick can do with the RF pack, and how I access the packaging work center, and etc. etc. I will show you tomorrow. Okay, one complete outbound process through RF device up to loading. Okay, with that we complete this outbound process. Okay, and please plan for the Saturday to attend at least 2 hours. We finish yard management and transportation unit. Okay, this thing. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Sir, wave management is another topic, sir.
That is the topic. Chapter
Wave
wise.
management.
Chapter wise we are going. Okay. Yeah. Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you for attending the session. Have a nice day. Bye.